Here at Tractor Tools Direct, we are often asked what the C stands for in the model numbers of our Ibex TS51C, TM67C, and TL75C drum mowers. Simply put, the C signifies that these mowers are designed with a unique conditioning system to help dry your hay faster, a feature found exclusively on Ibex brand mowers. In this video, we will explain the conditioning system in greater detail as you watch it in action with our TM67C drum mower. First, let's talk about conventional drum mowers, which tend to windrow the cut crop into a tight pile. If you can imagine the cut grass stacked like a row of fallen dominoes, you have an idea of how standard drum mowers windrow hay. This tight windrow will trap moisture underneath and will not dry unless it is spread out with a belt rake or tedder. Our Ibex conditioning mowers have a series of flail tines that have been added to the cutting drums. These tines gently flail the hay as they eject it out the back, providing a fluffy, airy windrow that can breathe. This will result in faster dry down times, and in some cases will even prevent the need to ted the hay. The flailing action is different from traditional roller and flail conditioners because it doesn't crimp or break stems. This is great news if you're baling legumes and other hay crops that need gentle treatment to keep their delicate leaves. We know how important durability and ease of use is for our customers. Unlike more complicated conditioning systems, the Ibex design is simple with no moving parts to get out of sync or break. Hopefully this video has cleared up any confusion about that extra C in our drum mower model numbers. Thanks for listening, and we hope you will visit our website, tractortoolsdirect.com, to learn more about this unique line of mowers.